Hi guys, welcome back to my travel chick. We're going to do some gardening today and I'm going to show you how to plant or sow some spinach seeds in containers in UK. So I bought the seeds online from Etsy. You can also buy it from eBay, and if you search for Indian spinach, and this will come up. These are the red spinaches. I'm not sure if you can see the picture. It might not be very clear, but I will actually, after planting this, I'll show you when the plants come out so you have a better idea. So we are in the middle of May now. We could have done it last month, and but I want to do it outdoor. That's why I waited until May. And this week and next week we have really good sunshine in UK. So that's the best time to plant it. I mean, sow the seeds. This time I'm going to sow this in a thermocol container. And what we need is some topsoil, which I bought from B&Q, and this was an offer, so 3 for £10, and that was a good deal. And we have multi-purpose compost, and I got the one with the John ends. I think they're special compost, but we can just use any. But we bought this like 2 months ago to plant some flowering baskets, and they turn out amazing. So let me show you how to do the process. So we prepped the containers already. I'm sorry I didn't film early, but these are the thermocol boxes we got, and it's got some holes underneath just for a better drainage, and we put some topsoil in and some compost. So the proportion is basically like I put 30% compost and 70% topsoil in it. So this is how the red spinach seeds look like. So what we're going to do is take some seeds and put them in these lines. They're so tiny little seeds. What I'm going to do is put some topsoil compost mixture on the top of it, just to cover the seeds a little bit, okay? I'm going to save some more seeds for later, and then what I'm going to do is maybe next week or the week after I'll be sowing some more seeds in the same container, so when it's ready for harvesting we can harvest the tall ones and the small ones will still be coming. And now we just have to water it and then finish it off, and then it'll be all ready. Okay. That's all nearly done. So what I'm going to do now is I'll water this every night, like after sunset, and I'll just keep it moist. And in the next couple of days I'll be filming more of this, and then I will show you when the plants start to come out, and also until the harvest time, so you'll have a better idea how to do this in UK. So thanks for watching today, and then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos. We'll be coming up with more interesting stuff. See you later. Bye.